Hello everyone. First of all, let me thank you all for coming here today. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nantakan Susang and my partner is Tashapan Podisan. We are environmentally from the Royal Forest Department. As you can see on the screen, our topic today is global warming. My topic is very important for you because the ever-changing and extreme weather causes many problems, such as natural disasters that are hard to predict. This will have a hard impact on your lifestyle and around the world. We have divided our presentation into three main parts. First, we will to tell you about causes of global warming. Second, we will to talk about effects of global warming. And finally, we will suggestion how to solve the problem of global warming. Our presentation will take about 8 minutes. Don't worry about taking notes. I will email the PowerPoint presentation to you. If you have any question, feel free to interrupt me at any time. Okay, shall we get started?
In this part of our presentation, I would like to tell you about global warming. Global warming is climate change refers to the change in temperature at all time of the Earth. The term global warming is generally used to refer to conditions in which global temperature have warmed over the past few decades and are related to human impact. Let's move on to the next point. Let's now turn to the next issue of cause of global warming. Global warming is an aspect of climate change referring to the long-term risk of the planet. Temperature is caused by increases concentrations of greenhouse gas in the atmosphere, mainly from human activities such as burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and farming. Take a look at this graph. This graph shows how greenhouse gas warm our planet. Let's begin with the biggest area, which is shown in green. We can see that 76% of the gas that warm the world is carbon dioxide, which is caused by various types of combustions, such as the burning of industrial fuel or burning the forest to use the area for housing. The second largest area is methane, which has a proportion of 16%, with the cause arising from the degradation of living things. The other area, with a total of 6%, is nitrous oxide and 2% is fluoride gas. Okay, so let's move on to the next point.
This now leads us to my next point, which is about the effects of global warming. The effects of global warming are more frequent and severe with the higher wildlife extinction rate, and finally, higher sea levels. More frequent and severe weather, long-term climate change can affect society in ways that can be disruptive. For example, warmer average temperature can increase air condition bills and contribute to the spread of diseases such as lyme disease. Higher wildlife extinction rate. In this 2015 study found the waterbeds are disappearing 114 times faster than they should are. Phenomena linked to climate change, pollution, and deforestation. Finally, higher sea levels, the polar regions are extremely vulnerable to the warming atmosphere. The average temperature in the Arctic is doubling faster. The most serious impact can be due to rising sea level 1 to 4 feet, which threaten coastal system and lowlands, as well as our island nation. This leads to the next point, which is the solution.
Let's now turn to the next issue, is the solution of global warming. For example, changing the way we behave, shifting the way we make and consume energy. The required changes span technologies, behavior, and policy that encourage less waste and smarter use of our sources. Well, this brings me to the end of my presentation. I would just like to run thought the main point again. First, we talked about causes of global warming. Much of global warming is mainly caused by human action. Then we talk about the impacts of global warming that has a serious impact on nature and life on the planet. Finally, we talk about solutions of global warming. The best solution is to start with ourselves. First, whether it's realizing the little thing like reducing the use of plastic bags, reductions of fuel combustions. So to conclude, I would like to highlight one key point. The global warming is caused by human action that causes a serious impact on life on Earth. We want everyone to be aware of the problem and help out offers to reduce global warming to make our world a better place. So now you have got the full picture. We just have time for a few questions. Thank you.